Hi, I'm Burdick, meteorologist here in Lacona, New York, Storm Chasers. We got the weather updates for you. This is your morning show, mid-morning actually show. We're going to go through a couple of different things for you. It's 10:11 a.m. here on January 11th of 2016 here on a good old Monday. Good morning. I'm also a volunteer weather spotter and Skywarn um, volunteer as well. So I do a lot of weather and science. I don't just do technology. I do a lot of science, especially with weather, and do weather study as well. So there's a lot of different weather changes going on with the system of this lake effect. We're going to go over your lake effect snow warnings and watches right now, and which, believe it or not, it skips over, and basically there could be yet a second lake effect this week. Lake effect snow warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Tuesday. This was updated at 3:32 this morning by the National Weather Service. Lake effect snow watch also in effect from Tuesday evening through Wednesday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a lake effect snow watch, which also is affected from Tuesday evening through Wednesday afternoon. Locations: Oswego, Jefferson, and Lewis Counties. Greatest amounts expected across the Tug Hill region. Obviously, the hills like to progress. The higher up you are, the more stronger the weather conditions can be. Obviously, the higher up, you get more of, hey, what's really up here in the sky. Timing: the lake effect snow warning is in effect through late tonight. The lake effect snow watch is in effect for early Tuesday evening through early Wednesday evening. Now, here's a catch. Accumulations 2 to 4 inches through 6 a.m. Obviously, we just seen that. 12 to 23 inches today. Yes, 12 to 23 inches today. Possibly, if conditions are right, we keep getting that moisture from the lake effect. The lake effect is our energy, our fuel to the sky. The weather is the fire. So as long as that lake keeps producing that moisture and keeps lifting up that moisture, keeps attracting that moisture up into the atmosphere, that will, in fact, keep firing up this lake effect and will continue. We'll also post up some pictures of this video. Also, see the end of the video for a recap of all the pictures and even more if we missed any. So with that being said, we do have a chance of seeing up to 23 inches today. That can vary, but like I said, it depends on the moisture, that lift of moisture. Also depends on with the hills, the lift, the inclines help rise. Those clouds also will intensify the lake effect snow. So believe it or not, we have also 3 to 6 inches tonight. 5 to 9 inches Tuesday night, and 5 to 9 inches Wednesday. Snowfall rates during the day. Monday snowfall rates may push 2 to 4 inches per hour at times, varying moisture levels, the chill or the temps in the air and the water of Lake Ontario. Those two temps, what they need to be is cooler air needs to go across that lake. And what happens is it lifts up moisture into basically the cloud system, the weather system. Now, with that being said, that depends also on inches per hour at times. Winds southwest 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusts up to 45 miles an hour early, diminishing through the day. Visibilities as low as a quarter mile at times. Right now, we're getting pretty close to zero, if not between 5 to 10% of visibility outside. You might want to take a slow down, especially if you're going through the hills, going around bends. You can't see traffic coming at intersections. Temperatures between 50 and 25 through 6 a.m., which we've seen. Highs 20 to 25 today, lows 10 to 15 tonight. Highs in the mid-20s Tuesday, lows 10 to 20 Tuesday night, highs 15 to 20 Wednesday. Impacts like snow, blowing snow will produce dangerous travel conditions. Roads will become treacherous. Yes, indeed. Forecaster, our forecasting evidence is very high. Our confidence is very high because the conditions are investigative information, facts are coming together very nicely right now for that. We have up some more detailed updates for you. We have some forecasts, a little bit of snow precip and any type of precip actually. And basically, we give it into a timeline, and this is what we like to do as the page likes to load and refresh on me compared to our weather station's information it gives. 10:15 through 11:15 this morning, moderate snowfall, 1.02 inches. 11:15 to 11:30 this morning, light snowfall, 0.23 inches. 11:30 to 12:15 p.m., moderate snowfall, 0.18 inches. 12:15 to 12:30 p.m., light snowfall, 0.23 inches. 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m., moderate snowfall picks up 3 inches possible. 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, 4:15 this afternoon, we're looking at light snowfall, 1.3 inches. And that can change up and down throughout the day. We'll give you the most up-to-date information on our website for that. Right now we're looking at current conditions, 19 degrees outside. Yes, indeed, it is 19 degrees. Today's forecast will be much cooler than yesterday. We're getting some south wind from 6.3 miles an hour. We'll take it. We'll do southeast winds because of the way the wind pattern is right now out there. When we get evidence that it's coming more from the east. Indeed so. All right, so with that being said, we got a high today, 24, low of 16 tonight. Here's descriptive forecast. Actually, do that first. Pressure at 29.81 inches. Visibility, they're saying 10 miles. That is not accurate at this point up in the hills. Maybe in lower elevations, but up in hills right now, it is not 10 miles. Be cautious of these lake effect changes between when it goes in and out of the weather. It might be clear for miles. It will come. It will show its face, so to speak. Few clouds up there, 3,800 feet. Mostly cloudy at 4,800 feet. Overcast at 7,000 feet. Wind chill at 10 degrees. Dew point 16 degrees. Humidity at 87%. Rainfall 0.2 inches. We'll call it melted precip. When they say rainfall, we use an increment of liquidation. Basically, when the only way we get actual precip water amounts is when it's melted. So far, the melted snowfall is at 0.2 inches so far at our weather station. All right, so with that being said, descriptive forecast today, we're looking at windy with occasional snow showers, high of 24, winds west at 20 to 30 miles an hour, chance of snow, 100%, 8 to 12 inches of snow, expected heavier amounts of persistent snow bands. Tonight, we're looking at snow this evening with giveaway to a lingering snow, showers late. Low 16, winds southwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulating 1 to 3 inches. Tuesday, tomorrow, snow during the morning will transition to snow showers during the afternoon. Highs of 31, winds south-southeast at 15 to 25 miles an hour. A chance of snow 90%. 1 to 3 inches of snow expected. Tuesday night, snow along with a gusty winds at times. Low of 16, winds west at 20 to 30 miles an hour. Chance of snow 90%. Snow accumulation 5 to 8 inches. Winds could occasionally gust over 40. Wednesday appears snow and windy. Highs 17. Winds west-northwest at 20 to 30 miles an hour. Chance of snow 70%. Snow accumulation 5 to 8 inches. Heavier amounts of persistent snow bands. Wednesday night, snow likely. Lows 12 degrees. Winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 80%. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. That is your 3-day updated forecast. Please stay tuned to our website for more of your weather info from throughout the day. We'll try to get you a mid-afternoon and later this evening another video. So 2 other videos today because we'll be no traveling to any work sites today for the weather conditions. Weather safety number 1. Remember that, everyone. Thank you for tuning us today. Remember, weather safety number 1. Stay safe wherever you do. Try to avoid the roads as much as possible. If you can't, take it slow. Thank you for tuning us at Lacona, New York Storm Chasers. We hope you enjoy your day. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.